Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to find TikTok comment history. That's right. If you left a comment on a video on TikTok and you want to find it again, I'm going to show you where they hide it in the TikTok settings, where you actually see all your comments on every video you left. I'll show you how to do that in this video. Last week we went over how to change Google Calendar appearance. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. Also, I always do an article on the video before I do the video. I'll put a link down below so you can actually see the article for this too. All right, before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos we come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday. I'm pretty good at hitting it 100%. I have not lost Thursday, and I'm hoping I can hold that for the rest of my life. There you go. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna go down here. We're gonna get out of this screen. We're gonna go to our TikTok app. My TikTok app is right here at the top. I'm going to tap on that. Once you open that, don't look at that. That's not what you want. Get out of there. Oh my goodness. Now we want to go back. Don't mind me hitting a bunch of buttons. Okay, here, we'll do that once again. There we go. I want to start fresh. I don't want to show you where it is. So now we're on here. We're on your TikTok app. You're going to look to the bottom right to the profile. Tap on that. And I hit it twice. I always seem to do that. Okay, once you're on your profile, you just want to look up to the right 3 lines, horizontal lines, the hamburger, tap on that. That's your settings. And then there's settings and privacy. After that menu, tap on that. And that takes you into your settings and privacy menu. And then you want to do is scroll up until we get to the section called content and display. That's right here. So right below that, you're looking for activity center. So we want to go to activity center. So tap on that. Once you're in the activity center, you're looking for comment history. Easy to find right there, second one down. Tap on that. And here they all are. Here's your comment history. The only thing I don't like about this is they don't give you a good search tool. Like, you can't search through them. You can go from newest to oldest. And if you tap that, menu pops up at the bottom and lets you go oldest to newest. So it's not the greatest search feature for trying to find your comment. But if you just did it recently, say newest to oldest, you can find it pretty quick. So let's say you find your comment, you can tap on it, which will pull that video up and that post where your comment is, so you can actually find it. It's very simple to do. It's kind of fun to try to, if I said something you want to see it again, or I don't know why you want to find it, but if you want to find it, this is how you do it. It's very simple to do. Comment history on TikTok, easy to find. That's it. Hey, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.